Hello everyone, my name is Ngong Boris Kupwa and I'm excited to present my vision for the Borough Hub Media API. This is a project I'm planning to develop as a scalable and robust backend solution, specifically tailored for social media platforms. My goal is to build an API that efficiently handles key functionalities such as user authentication, post management, and social interactions. Why I haven't built the API yet? This pitch reflects the research, planning, and goals I've set for myself. For me, this project isn't just about the technical side. It's a challenge that will push me to grow as a backend developer and create something meaningful that could support modern social platforms. Let me show with how scalable and efficient systems are designed led me to dive into backend development, and I've been working on sharpening my skills ever since. This project represents the next step in my learning journey. By tackling the challenges of building a backend for social media, I will not only deepen my technical expertise, but also gain hands-on experience, expertise addressing the complexities of API development. The Borough Hub Media API is an ambitious milestone for me, and I'm eager to bring it to life. The project overview: the Borough Hub Media API will serve as a backbone for social media platforms, focusing on essential backend features. Here's what I plan to include. Have In my plan, I have the user authentication, a secure login and sign-up system powered by JSON Web Tokens to ensure data protection and restricted access. Post management will enable users to create, read, update, and delete posts with ease. Like and unlike system, which includes a feature to foster engagement by enabling users to interact with content. With security, the API will be designed with growth in mind, ensuring it can scale while maintaining data integrity and security. This project combines essential functionality with a focus on reliability and scalability, making it a strong foundation for future social media applications. Learning objectives. For my learning objective, my primary goal is to grow as a backend developer while building this project. Here are the key learning objectives I'm aiming for. This will be the secure API design, which will be learning how to implement JWT-based authentication workflows, database modeling, using MongoDB and Mongoose to build flexible, efficient database schemas, cloud deployment, gaining experience deploying APIs to platforms like Render, Heroku, so many more. Testing, improving my skills in API testing with tools like Postman, Insomnia, Curl, and all that. These objectives are ambitious but achievable, and I'm confident they will deepen my understanding of backend development. For the technologies I used the Node.js, a lightweight, fast backend runtime, Express.js, a flexible framework for structuring APIs, a MongoDB, and a Mongoose, which is a NoSQL database and library for efficient data storage. The JWT to handle secure authentication, of course, I mentioned that before. The Postman and the Insomnia for testing and debugging. These tools will allow me to build a modern and reliable backend system. Also, I'm having the third third-party services, which is a cloud database that I would like use the MongoDB Atlas for a fully managed cloud database solution. The API testing tools, which I've mentioned before, which uh, which is the Postman and the Insomnia. Postman normally is a very popular tool for API testing, allowing users to send requests and view responses. Also, same like Insomnia, which is also good for testing and debugging. Also, I'll be using beginner tools like the curl, HTTP, by. Uh, yes, I'll be using this third party to build my application and also to build my API. Sorry. Also, I building this application since this project is still in the planning phase, identify some challenges I'll likely encounter. For example, the security implementation of this securely and ensuring data integrity will be a challenge. Performance also will be another challenge, optimizing database queries and the user growth efficiently. Another challenge that I will probably have, I've already identified, will be deployment, which is properly configuring environments and managing deployment. These challenges are expected for a beginner backend project like the one I'm doing now, and I'm eager to learn as I address them. Tackling these hurdles will help me develop the skills needed to build scalable and secure APIs. Also, my work schedule will be for within 1 and 2 weeks, which I will be able, the first we are able to set up the project structure and implement user authentication, develop code operation for post and the like on my system, and hopefully I will conduct the testing, debug issues and deploy the API to the cloud. I think that will be the final week. So in also this, of course, this is a testing tools which I've mentioned before, which is a Postman and the Insomnia. I'll be using this to test and debug for anything. And then for with all this, I will conclude by saying that the Borough Hub Media API is a vision for a comprehensive and scalable backend solution tailored for social media platforms. While I'm at the start of this journey, I'm excited to develop this project and overcome the challenges it presents. I am very thankful for you being here and listening to me. I'm happy to answer any questions or here in future you might like to come up with. But and thank you again for being there. I will be very grateful for everything. Thank you very much.